Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. In the expression 3 times 2x square positive x positive 8 negative 16x times p positive 4, p is a constant. This expression is equivalent to the expression 6x square negative 155 x positive 24. What is the value of p? Okay, since this expression is equivalent to this one, we can equate them. Let me write it over here. So there is 3 times 2x square positive px positive 8 negative 16x times p positive 4 equals to negative 6x square negative 155x positive 24. Okay, now let's simplify the expression we have on the left side over here. So first let me distribute this 3 to this one, and this one, all the stuff inside the parentheses over here. When you distribute this 3 to 2x square, that is 3 times 2x square will become 6x square. 3 times positive px will become 3px. And 3 times positive 8 will become positive 24, negative 16px, negative, and when you distribute this negative 16x to 4, it will become negative 60. 4x equals to 6x square, negative 155x, positive 24. Okay, now I can write this x square as it is. Now let's write the x terms together so that we can combine them. So the 3 terms which contain x, the first one is 3px, the next one is negative 16px, and the third one is negative 64x, and there is only one constant term, that is positive 24. Let me write that one as it is, equals to 6x square negative 155x positive 24. Okay, now 6x square. Now let's consider the 3 terms over here. So all the 3 terms over here contain x. So we can factor x out from all these 3 terms. So if I factor x out, then I'm getting 3p in the first term, negative 16p in the second term, and negative 64 in the third term times x. I just factored x out from these 3 terms, then positive 24 equals to 6x square negative 155x positive 24. Okay, here we have a quadratic expression, and on the right side also we have a quadratic expression. So whenever two algebraic expressions are equal, then the coefficients of like terms must be equal. So that is the coefficient of x on the left side, the coefficient of x on the right side must be equal. So because the two expressions are equal. Okay, now let me take the coefficient of x on the left side, that is 3p, negative 16p, negative 64. It must be equal to the coefficient of x on the right side, that is negative 155. Now we have to solve for p in this equation. So for that, let's combine the first two terms because both of them are like terms. The reason is both the terms contain p. So when I combine 3p negative 16p, I am getting negative 13p negative 64 equals to negative 155. Okay, now let me write the equation over here. That is negative 13p negative 64 equals to negative 155. Okay, now let me add 64 to both sides. Let me do it. When I add 64 to both sides, negative 64 positive 64 will cancel out, and I am getting negative 13p equals to, so when I combine negative 155 and positive 64, I am getting negative 91. Okay, now to solve for p, I have to get this negative 13 which is multiplied by p. So for that I have to divide both sides by negative 13. So when I do so, this negative 13 will cancel, then p equals to this negative will cancel. 13 goes into 13 one time, 13 goes into 91 7 times. So therefore p equals to 7. So we find 7 in option B. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.